So I'm going to first put in all the bolts. There are many of them, and we previously marked them inner and outer rather than upper and lower. So I'm going to assume that the inner is the upper. They do seem the same size, and all of these guys have traces of the sealant on it. So I think this is the right one. So what I'm going to do is use my trusty power little driver here, because this is just a lot of bolts to put in. There is some diagonal tightening stuff that I have to do. I'm going to pay attention to that later. First it says put these in and tighten them to 5 Newton meters. I'm not doing that yet because I'm just putting these in here. 5 Newton meters will come in a little bit when I'm done putting these fellows in. Oh, fabulous.